Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can convert your Word document file and also your PDF files into a QR code, and when people scan this QR code they're going to get access to view these files. You can do this for any type of file, any format, but then in this video I'll be using a Word document file and then a PDF file. So let me show you guys how to do this. So these are the files I'll be converting into a QR code for people to view it. So now let me come here and let me show you guys how to do this. It's very much simple and easy. All you need to do is upload these files on your Google Drive. When you upload them on your Google Drive, you change your share settings and then you copy a link of the share link, and then you go and convert the link into a QR code. When people scan it, they are going to get access to the document. Very much simple. So let me show you guys how to do this practically. So here I uploaded two files here. You can see these are the two files I want to convert into a QR code. I come here and then I tap on this share, and then I change the share setting just like I said earlier. So it's been changed to anyone with the link, you get me. So anyone with the link can view this cover letter, which is in the Word document. Now I copy the link and let me tap on done. Now let me come here, same style, let me move to my share and let me change the general access to anyone with the link, and good, I'm done. Let me click on this. And now let me hop on this site, QR code generator. So I tap on the create a QR code here. You just need to create an account, or you can use any QR code generator you find online. And then you copy the link here, and let's try to create a link here. And now we are creating our QR code. Good. So here is our QR code. We just tap on the download to download it. So now let me tap on the download. And that's it. So now let me open it, and that's it. When you scan this QR code, I can't do this right now, but then you can pause the video and scan this QR code. You're going to get access to that folder, which is the cover letter. Let me do the same for the second one. So since I've changed the settings already, I just need to tap on the share here and then just copy the link. Now let me come here once again and let me try creating a new link for this. Let me close it. Now let me create another QR code here, and now let me paste the link here. Same procedure. Let me tap on the create, and good, mine is here. I can do few customization. I can choose this scan me to make it look more stylish, and then let me tap on the download. And then I download this to save. So I download it. So that's it on how you can create a QR code for a Word document or any type of document you have. If you are a business and then you want people to know your office, you can create, or you can convert these PDF files, the PDF files into a scan me code, and then people scan it and then they view your office. So that's it. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.